Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of our number formatting series. I know that this is getting extended, but you will learn something new, right? Because we are here to just teach you each and everything which is available in Excel to make your foundation strong, right, guys? If you have not, because we have already covered many topics which are related to the formatting series and the number formatting series. If you have not paused the previous videos, I would request you to please go and do watch all of them. So that's how you will understand the current topic and all the future topics. In today's video, in this particular video, we are going to use the number formatting options, number format in a real life practical data set, right? So that's how you understand the practical working that we do in Excel, right? So let's move on to the data set directly. I won't be taking much of your time. So guys, so as you remember that we have already covered the number format, different number formats in previous video. So we'll be using all of the number formats in this particular data set, which is a real data set which we have taken from a company, right? So now we have some kind of records in this particular data set. So we'll be using the number format. So first of all, let's start beginning uh, using the number format from the date of joining. So in this particular data set, we have the ID, name, designation, date of joining, reporting time, salary, bonus deduction, new salary, grade, year, and rest of the thing, right? So let's begin this video by understanding the date of joining. So by basically by using the different formats of the date format, right? So what you need to do first, you need to just select your data set. If you want to apply any kind of formatting, you need to select your data set first. So we have selected this entire date range. So we'll just select this option. So we are not going to select it because we want some more options to be, shown to us, right? So once we click on this dialog box opener, we come here, Excel has automatically detected that these all are dates. So Excel has, taken us here in the date section. So what if you want to, what you can do, you can just change the format of the date, right? So suppose let's select this. This one looks better. So let's select this, March 14, 2012. See what happens. So we have changed the format of the date, right? So because uh, what is the advantage of changing the format basically that we need to understand. Basically, you need to make your data set look better. So you need to just make it presentable so that you can directly send it to your clients, your manager, your bosses, to whoever you want to, right? Send it to, right? So so we need to just make our data look better. So this is we have just changed the format of the date. If you want some other date format, you can also do that by clicking on this button again and date. And suppose if you want this particular format, you can just click on this and click on this. Okay, see the data gets the formatting gets changed, right? Now let's change that for time format. Again, select the range, time range basically. Click on the dialog box opener here, and suppose we want the time to be visible in this particular format. So we have selected this and click on the OK button, see what happens. So what we have got, we have time, sorry, hour, minute, and the seconds as well, right? So if you want to change the format of this time series, you can also do that by clicking on this button. Suppose we want our time to be visible in this format, so we can also do that, right? So this is how you can just change the time. Now what is next? Salary. So if you want to, because salary is just written in a simple journal format. You want to just, want it to look little more in a better way, basically. So what we can do, we just need to select it, salary part, and we just click on this. So we'll be using this one. So we'll just come here in the currency section and we don't want to use any currency sign. So we'll just select the none, and we don't want any this thing decimal places, and click on the button. Okay, see what happens. So now it is looking a little better, right, guys? Similarly, bonus and deduction. So what has company? done to uh, uh, their employee. So basically, they have given them some of the employee they have given the bonus, and some of them they have deducted some of the amount, right, from their salary. So what we'll do, we'll just change the format of this particular section. We'll just click on this dialog box and come under in the currency section, and we don't want any symbol sign, the currency sign, and we want our salary, the negative salary, to be visible in the red color and with the within the bracket. So we'll just click on this OK button, see what happens. So now this can be clearly identified which all numbers have been deducted from the salaries, which are reflecting in red color and within the bracket, right? So if you want to change it again, you can also do that by clicking on this button and click on this number format. If you want to just to make it visible in red color not within the bracket, you can also do that. So what does that mean? All the values which are reflecting in red color are negative values, right? If you still want to change it to another value, another format, you can also do that. So let's select this one is looking better, right? This one is better, right guys? Now new salary, you want to change the format of this new salary, just click on this button and click on the accounting type. If you want to just change, put the symbol and the currency sign, let's select the Indian currency sign, which is in rupees. Let's select this one and click on OK. So we have got the new salary type, right guys? Now what is next? So we need to calculate the increment basically. How much increment or the decrement which uh, an employee has, you know, given, employee has been given. So we need to just calculate that. So basically we'll be using the percentage sign. So, so we need to just do this and this -1. We got this. So this is taking the same format, but we want it to be visible in the percentage sign. So what we'll do, we'll just click on this and click on the percentage and let it be decimal places 2 and click on OK. See what happens. So this person basically Anuj Mahajan has got 22.27% of the increment in his salary, and this particular person Ratin Gupta has got a decrease in his salary, right? So this is how you can change the format. So if you want to change it to like in this particular color, you cannot do that. I mean, that is possible in the currency section. So this is how you can just use all these different number formats in your data set. Right, guys? I hope you have understood all the topics, and we will cover more topics in our later videos, guys. Okay, bye bye.